Hey guys, we just wanted to apologize for the audio being so disturbing and crazy in this episode. It was our first time filming, but we promise you that it gets better in future episodes. I hope you'll bear with us. And with that aside, I hope you guys enjoy the podcast. Happy listening.
Welcome to For the Record. I am Ria. I am Randy. And we have started this podcast after discussing about it for about 2 years. Every time we talk, we were like, we need to start a podcast. We need to start a
Maybe
podcast.
more than 2 years, I think.
I think
No
it
idea.
has to be more than two.
Yeah,
years. And then we have to be the person who tells us why did we start this podcast.
So we started the podcast because we just talk a lot. We have so many things to say. And none of our friends just want to, listen to us talk. So we decided, why not just start a podcast?
Yeah, I think it's just every time we are with people, it's just the both of us talking and everybody's just there and they are so fed up. They're like, please go out somewhere. Like we don't want to hear
your
you.
shit. So we were like, you know what? Let's just take that seriously.
Yeah,
Let's just start like our own podcast.
But it took us a long time to start one. Like it took us way too long to start one, I think.
But now, how are you feeling, Ria? Like, how are
I'm
you
so
feeling that this is-
excited.
we are literally filming our first episode right now.
I am too excited. Like I cannot imagine that this is actually what we're doing. Like
It was a long time coming.
it really was. I love it. This is everything.
A Taylor Swift reference. Isn't that obvious that we like Taylor Swift?
I think it should be.
Yeah,
I
we should
I would,
dedicate one whole episode.
I am on board for it. And do you wanna introduce yourself first?
Yeah. So I am Tanvi. I am studying Doctor of Pharmacy right now. I won't mention my college because I don't think that's allowed, and I don't want to promote them either. I am currently in my fifth year of pharmacy. That's Doctor of Pharmacy. And I am actively looking for internships. So if you guys know places, if you guys know of anyone who is
Regulate Ria first. Please don't forget to mention.
so please let us know.
I
What
think you
about
should.
you?
I think that the funniest part is when you explain the difference to someone of how bee farm is not farm bee, and
Yeah.
oh my god, I remember when you started doing it. I was always everybody used to ask what is Sunny doing, and I used to tell them farm bee. Oh, it's like bee farm, and I was like, no, it's farm bee.
Or it's like bee farm.
Oh, and I said no, it's different.
Exactly. How do you guys not know what a farm bee is? And I should spend my whole time explaining to them what farm bee is.
Half an hour
Yeah.
you used to spend explaining how it's different.
I know because I've listened to you
Every time.
in every conversation.
Every time you used to tell people, oh, I'm doing farm tea, and then I knew half an hour is gonna be Tanvi talking about how it's different.
Yeah, I just dedicated time for that.
Yeah.
What about you, Tia?
So I'm doing my CA internship right now, and hopefully, yeah, articulation. So I have like about 5-6 months left in that, and then I have to give my finals, which is in May 27.
Everybody wish
So,
you good luck.
thank you. I
She's
really
going
need
to
it.
pass.
I really need it. I genuinely really need it. So hopefully that is like it happens. It happens
will.
soon. And I'm just very excited to get over with it.
Yeah, are you studying for it?
No,
Regularly?
no, I am so not. That is why I need those wishes. I need to be more consistent. So that is like one of my resolution this year is to start
Yeah.
studying consistently, which I have done for maybe 2 days. So I need to come back to it.
But
and
2 days is better than none.
I agree with you.
Yes.
See, this is why we are like best friends, because
We just
you
keep
are like my enabler friend. If I say anything, you would be like, yes, we are like,
Yes.
yeah, like this is fine. Like you just enable me, and I love that about you.
And it happens both ways, obviously.
Yeah.
How is your articleship going? How are you liking your new company? So she
I
used to work at a different company before.
Yeah,
And
and now I've switched, and it's fine. I would just be. I think we'll talk about this in another episode because I don't want to give away too much right now. I will
Exactly.
keep it. It's better than before, but it's not the best. Is what I say.
She wants to just be around me all the time. She doesn't
Yeah, I miss you.
for
I
office.
genuinely miss you, and
I
it's like I feel like we don't need a lot. I mean, as much as we used to do before, like
Yeah.
maybe like after in COVID, I miss those times because the only good time about that was meeting you guys. Like I could meet everybody anytime. It was so fun.
And I feel like that is another reason why we kind of started the podcast, because it gives us like not an excuse, but we literally have to remove time from our like schedules to come and then shoot or
Yeah.
or whatever. So I feel like this is like an amazing opportunity. This is like an amazing thing that we're doing so that we
Exactly.
meet more often.
And I feel like it's a very fun activity. It's not.
Yeah.
It's not like it's something different. It's just
Because we're talking like
that is like our brand. That is genuinely our brand. Us talking is our brand.
exactly.
Everybody who has met us ever will agree to this.
Yes, literally everybody. The first thing that they say is, "You guys sound alike. You guys have an accent, and that makes you guys sound alike. Your voice is like the same. Like I don't think that we sound.
I genuinely, but I love that this we have like tested it on so many people, and your mom is the one who fell for it. I will never forget it. That was like, and not once. I think she's fallen for it like multiple times. But I want to do this once on the podcast. I want to call someone and I want to see if they can recognize if it's you or me.
Yeah, let's prank someone. But you want to tell them the story of how my mom could not recognize my voice. So basically, we were outside and I was late, okay? My mom kept calling me and I was driving the two-wheeler. So Nia picked up my call. And then what happened, Nia?
And then, so Tanvi's mom always called her Manu, okay? And then she picked up the call and then she's like, oh, Manu, kuthe ahes? And I was like, Auntie, I'm Dia. And then she's like, oh, okay. No, I was calling you also Manu. That is why I just said Manu. But that is not true. That happened like a lot of times. So,
Oh my god, you were talking about like she started yelling at you.
oh yeah, that.
Ria was Tanvi.
Oh yeah. And then one time, this happened. I was thinking of some other time. But then one time she picked up and then she's like, where are you? Why are you so late? And then when are you going to come to? Have you seen the time? Oh my god, it is very hilarious. But it kind of reminds me of my mom, so I don't take a lot of
Your mom
offense.
is very sweet. Like she never yells at you, yeah. Like
that is because you have not heard the conversation. I think other people would say other things.
That's fine. How is like your mom? Is she on board with you doing the podcast or?
She was until today. She was until today, and then in the morning she said, when are you going to study? Have you ever thought about that? Like, you waste your time doing all of these things. So you should start getting serious about your studies.
Your career.
Your career. And then she's like, I'm not going to do like something she was saying, okay, and I was like, I'm going today. I just don't care.
Yeah, like you can just say whatever you want.
And then you know what happened today? This is so funny, and it has nothing to do with right now. But my mom, she forgot her phone twice today. So the reason I was late was because I had to go give my mom her phone 2 times today in the morning.
Oh my God.
In the morning once and right now once.
What is Sorry, I just called out on me. I hope you're okay with that, auntie. Auntie, I'm so sorry. I still want your churma. Her mom makes very nice dal bati churma. Like she's always inviting us. Like me, all of other like whoever Ria is like on good terms.
That is a very rare time. I'm on good terms with people.
I was going to say something different, but then I was like,
We should, at least for the first episode, we'll maintain people's privacy.
exactly. We still need to ask for their permission.
Yeah.
If we can disclose their names and
Yeah.
their relations.
So then, do you want to talk about how we met?
Yes. So can you just tell that we've known each other for like a really long time? Like
I think it's very evident.
yes, yeah. I mean, and that's not a bad thing. That's like a good thing that we
Yeah.
like that is like a what is that like that Gen Z term that people use, like that is like a not a riz, what is it, like it's like a slay that people
Oh,
know
yeah.
each other for like more than 20 years. It has been more than
Oh
20
my
years.
god!
Right? That is so scary. It's not scary, it's just
Stop it! Now that you said it, now I'm
more
kind of
than 20 years.
weird. Like, is it actually?
Yeah.
Stop it! That is crazy to me.
We met.
Know each other from. I was thinking like maybe 15 years or something.
No, yeah, like we are 22 right now.
Oh yeah, I kind of. Oh my god! Don't remind me.
That is maybe not 20, maybe 19
Maybe like
years. Like
oh maybe. Oh my god! Then this might be like our 20th year. Like
oh my god.
oh my god! This is what we're doing for our 20 years. Like
That's so
celebration or something.
Yeah, a 20th anniversary, friends anniversary.
Yeah.
And we're celebrating it by starting a new podcast.
And letting everybody around us be blessed by our presence. I don't
Yeah.
think that is a
Amazing
blessing for
energy.
other people, but it's a blessing for us. So
It's such a blessing for us. It's fine. So we met on the first day of our school. So
but I still have a lot of confusion about this. Like, I'm really not sure if that is what the case was or not. But I remember, like, the first day of my school, I was in one division, okay? Like, we had, like, different divisions. Like, we had 4 divisions, so it was the A, B, C, D. And supposing, I don't remember the exact division, but I know that I was supposedly I was in C, like, for the first day. And then I was shifted to the D division on the second day.
Why?
I don't know why, but I just remember there was this one girl's birthday. So I'm not sure if it was your birthday or not, but I think it was your birthday.
I
Is what
don't
think.
remember this.
I genuinely think that it was your birthday. And that is why I kind of know you. Like, but I'm not sure about it, okay? I have like a very distinct memory of this one girl with like the straight hair and then a bob cut, and then she had come with her like,
Don't remind me.
oh my god, I also remember
That
that.
was hideous. I'm hideous.
Oh my god.
No, Ria
I
was
have
such a
hair
cute
trauma.
child.
No, I have hair trauma. I really
We
do.
need to show them like our childhood pictures.
Oh, please,
Ria was such a cute child. Oh my god, shut up. Yo, don't lie.
Tanvi, you have been mistaken for Katrina Kaif. In so I have proof of this. Katrina Kaif's childhood photo and your childhood photo matches.
But that was
It
like
matches
later on, like not when I was like so small.
No, please, please do.
That is such a compliment. Like I love her. We love her.
But I think it was her birthday. Is what I think, and we probably don't remember. But I remember we became friends on the first day, and then we became best friends. We just decided that we are each other's best friends. Then that was it. Like we were inseparable till 6th standard. But
Yeah.
what happened after 6th standard, then we?
So in this, I think this happened after sixth. I completed my sixth standard, and then I had to shift to the US because my dad's like job shifted there, so I had to go. So I moved to Virginia in the US, and when I told Ria that, Ria was like, I don't know if you were crying or she was on the verge of crying, but she was so sad.
I was heartbroken.
Ria was so sad, and I was also sad. Okay, I really was very sad to leave her, but I was also very excited because like I'm moving to another country.
Of course. And then
Yeah.
at that stage, it's like, oh my god, I'm going to the US. And that is like pretty cool, yeah. Like,
It is very
if I was going to the US, I would be like, I would not be sad. I would be very happy.
Makes sense.
I would be super happy. But I was heartbroken. But I remember that one birthday that, like, after 6th, Tanvi's birthday is like around in June, okay? So then I remember she had kept a party and she had just shifted to like another house. So it was pretty far. Like we stayed like 5-10 minutes away from each other, and then she shifted like pretty far. So then that place was like I guess half an hour. It is half an hour. So we went there, and then she was like, and then Tanvi's mom called my mom, and then she's like, can Ria just stay over at our house, because I really just did not want to leave Tanvi. I was like, this is like it was like. And that was like my first sleepover ever, I feel like. Because
Same, yeah.
we were like so young, yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
We were each other's. Like we had our first sleepovers with each
I
other.
think we
That's
had
so cool.
everything with
Yeah.
first with each other. That sounds
That was very wrong, but you know what I mean.
No, not like that. But so I remember, and then okay, so this happened, and then the next day I was like, I still don't want to go home. And then I stayed over 2 days, 2 nights is what I remember. But I'm not
Yeah.
sure if it was like 2 nights or 1 night. But I think it was 2 nights. And then my mom was like, she came in the afternoon, like the second night, like after that she came in the afternoon. And I was like, I still don't want to go. And then my mom was like, do you just want to shift to her house? And I think my mom still to this day says that.
Yeah.
I think we should just shift to the new house.
Yeah.
I think we should just shift there.
We're always literally. My mom is like, "Where are you going?" Oh, I'm going to meet Ria again. That's like her reaction again. Like just go to her house.
Then I go. Oh, what am I going to be?
Like I'm so sorry. Like I don't know if this is like obvious to you guys, but we don't have any other friends.
Like,
I mean, Ria has like a couple other people.
That is so not true. I'm so sorry. She's just lying. But I think we have a same friend group, and that's it. And then that is our friends. Like I think we have like a semicircle. We don't even have a full circle.
Yeah,
we have a
we-
semicircle of friends.
yeah.
But that's fine.
I mean, I'm
because
so sorry. Please, other people who like are my friends, like don't feel bad that like even your friends, like don't feel bad.
like,
Because
I'm not-
we've known each other for so long, and
like it's
I mean,
it's
what's
too
something
long.
around
I feel
her,
like, but Tanvi, I just think that we need to put this on record that you are my soulmate. Like I am
Yes.
not joking. I genuinely think that what I have with Tanvi is like just unattainable with
Yeah.
anybody.
yes, same. I feel like we just have the same thoughts. We're thinking the same thing all the time. We are like twins. I feel like at this point. No, but we're soulmates.
But no, but you know what I feel like? Like it's not even that we are thinking the same thing. Like that can happen with people.
Yeah.
The same things happen in our lives.
Right.
It's scary.
It
I'm
is
not
very
even joking. It's like how, like, if I call Nani and I start ranting to her, okay, like, oh, you know, like this happened and then that, and Nani's like, stop. This is scary because this is exactly what happened with me today. Today.
Exactly.
And this is like, we can just make things up.
Yes.
We can, but I wish we were making this up.
We are not making this up. And like you mentioned, like we are like enabler friends.
Oh yeah.
We're always validating each other, and that's why I think maybe that is one of the reasons why we like to call
Yeah,
each other
I
as
agree.
soulmates. I feel like I'm the most comfortable around her. I feel like I can say anything to her without feeling judged. Even if I know that, oh, I'm in the wrong in this situation, she would never say that to me. She might say that to me later on, but she would never point it out or be like, you know, like, Tanvi, that is like completely wrong. And
I don't think I would ever
She
say
would
that to you.
never
I
say
don't
that.
think I would ever say that to
And
you
that
because
happens a lot.
I'll tell you why. Because I would do the same exact thing, so I cannot call myself wrong.
Exactly. Soulmates.
So
Soulmates.
it's funny.
Yeah.
We have, oh my god, I this is so like, but I just wanna like explain why I think that. But this is like the smallest example I have
Yeah.
to give, and it is so small, but it is so significant. Sunny was in the US and I was here, and we bought the same shoes once. Okay, this can happen once, and it's fine. It's like a plain black shoe, and
Yeah.
everybody has it. That's fine. She came here, and then I got a gift from my chachi because she does like running and stuff. So then she just bought a pair of shoes, and then they don't fit her well. So then she just gifted it to me. And I was just telling Tanvi that exact week I was telling her like, oh, you know, like I got shoes, and then she was like, oh, I got shoes. And we were like, what shoes did you get? And we got the same exact shade of the shoes. Like it's not
The same exact, not even the same exact color, the same exact shade of the color.
like exactly.
Like light
It is. It's like, what is it called? It's like the new trend. That's not
Yeah.
the point. But
That is
it's
not the point. We don't know the color. We have to go look that up.
we don't have the energy to
Yeah.
look it up right now. But yeah, like that is like the smallest example I have to how me and Tanya are soulmates. We just end up doing the same things. The same things end up happening to us.
Yeah.
Or it's just
That happened with shoes. It happened with clothes. Like sometimes
oh
we
my
buy
God.
the same type of clothing.
oh, we got the same top.
Yeah, because so we had recently gone on a trip, okay, and we got the same top.
Without discussing it with
Yeah.
each other. And both of our return dates were passed. So we
Yeah.
could not even return one and then just keep one.
Yeah,
And then it's
exactly.
so funny. I think we should twin ones.
Yeah.
On the
we
podcast,
should.
we should
Oh,
twin
yeah, we
ones.
should.
No, I don't want to.
We should. We'll think about it. But I shifted to the US and
Oh, yeah.
I was there for like 4 years, I think, because I came back after 10th standard. So I was here in 11th. So I don't think Priya and I talked a lot
Yeah, I don't
when I
think.
was in the US. Like,
No.
we might have talked maybe.
Once in 2 years is
Yeah.
and then once you had come here, I remember like after 2 years you had come here. So
We had met. We had
Yeah.
another sleepover, which might have lasted 2 days long.
I don't
Again.
even remember that sleepover.
I had to come to your house. Like, I had come.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
I
and we-
remember.
And we had like some other friend of ours had also come joined us. And
Really?
and, your cousin had also come.
Really, I
Yeah.
cannot remember anything.
Can I say her name? Like, who
Yeah, yeah.
who else would come? You know her.
Yeah, yeah.
But like,
But I do not remember that at all. That
you
is
that
like,
was so scary. Like,
I just remember you had come to pick me up, and it was like a surprise that you had come.
really?
Yeah, that
I
was
don't
a surprise.
remember that it
That
was
is
a
what I
surprise.
remember. You had come to like my pool to pick me up, and
That? Oh yeah.
and you were sitting in the car, and I entered, and then you were right there, and I was like, stop it! Like I was like, this is a dream.
Sweet. I don't remember it being a surprise, but I remember that I came to your phone to pick you up. Sorry. We just have like a bit of background noise. Just ignore that. but
But yeah, like then after that sleepover, I have zero idea of what happened.
I think the only thing that we did was we ended up staying
I think
the
that-
whole night long and we were
Yeah,
just talking
talking.
and yapping. I know you
Yeah,
don't like
I
that
don't.
word.
I don't like it anymore. I think I'm over it. Like
Yeah.
it was like a nice word, but then
People started using it way too much.
I just did not like it anymore.
Yeah.
I was just like, oh, this is
Don't say that anymore. But anyway, so then I went back to the US. So basically, I was there for 4 years, and then I came back. And the first person, like the first friend that I met was Ria.
Yeah.
And I remember her being like, the both of us were very excited, but then she is just like an expressive person in general. So she was just so excited to see, and I was also very excited. And I feel like we have just we just clicked. Like, I don't think that whole year, like,
yeah,
distance
like-
that we had, I don't think it affected our friendship in any way.
Yeah, like
I don't think we.
I just remember like in those 4 years, maybe we talked like 3-4 times, like max to max, and then which is like crazy to me because
Oh, we
once you
didn't have
came
our
back,
phones, like,
yeah, like
not-
exactly.
Yeah.
But then still, like once you came back here, like we were like back on the same track. That is so like I don't think that happens with a lot of people. Like
Yeah. It's
and
very difficult.
I'm very grateful that that happened with us
Yeah,
because I just think about now
exactly.
and I'm just like, oh, like that is so surreal that happened. And
I
I'm
just find
very
it so
grateful.
precious that we,
Yeah.
like, literally, we met when we were in LKG, and then we were like apart for like 4 years, and then we met again, and then we just clicked, and then it was just like nothing. Like, we clicked, and then we had to catch up on all of the 4 years that we were apart. And
Because we did not talk. Like that's the thing. I did not know what was going on there. She did not know what was going on here.
and then it was
And I think, oh my god, I really remember this, and this is so funny. But I remember like me coming to your house, and then we used to always watch YouTube, and now we'll be uploading something on YouTube. That is such a full circle moment. I just realized that.
maybe we were like manifesting. I think we've always been talking about this. You know, like Mala, YouTube पर भी post करा है sir. We want to post things on YouTube,
Yeah.
and then
You
now
know,
it's
just
like,
as a joke, I put on my my vision board. I put like 1k followers as a joke. I put it, and now we started this.
and I don't think we had decided to start the podcast
nothing.
at the beginning of the year. Like,
No, we did not.
I think we decided this like a month ago.
March. I remember deciding it and then just opening the Instagram page without having any content whatsoever, without having a plan, without having
Yeah.
content, without having ideas.
Follow us
Nothing.
on Instagram, follow us on YouTube, follow us on Spotify.
What is it? Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so we wanted to start this segment which we want to incorporate in like all of the episodes, like a recurrent segment, where Ria, because she's like well aware of all of the pop culture things that are happening, all of the internet drama and all of that. So she was going to give me like all of that gossip because I'm very clueless. I feel like I am on Instagram, but I'm on the internet, but then I don't.
You are on the
my
other side of
feed
the
is just-
internet.
Yeah, exactly. I'm just not in.
Yeah.
So we are gonna call it, what is it? Pink flag.
Pink flags. But like the reasoning behind that is, I do understand that gossiping is a red flag, but I think it's like a slightly less red. Like it's a pink flag is what we
Yeah.
think. So we're just gonna gossip about like the internet things that are there, like on the internet. So today's topic is a very hot and upcoming topic, which Sunny has no idea about.
Yeah.
And I just don't understand how does she have no idea about such things. Like I don't know how. But
I'm super excited.
so as you know, there's this interviewer Ranveer.
I love Abia.
Yeah, I could not think of his surname for
Be a
some
White
reason.
Steps.
Yeah, him. So
He has his podcast.
his podcast. So basically, on his podcast, Nora Fateh had gone, and then she had said, like, these were her words, not mine, and it was like, oh, like feminism ruined our society. Feminism, like, I hate feminists. Like, they are the people who ruined our society, which is like pretty. I don't get it. How can you say that when she is like making money right now?
Exactly.
If you're gonna bash feminists, like, please donate all your money, okay,
Exactly.
whatever. But that is what happened. Like, I think 2-3 years ago. I'm not really sure.
I'm so
when.
sorry, but if you're against feminism, then how are you working? Why are you working if you
Like,
are against feminism?
Why are you working? Just leave your job. Like,
Exactly.
it's fine. But
Yeah.
so right now, this is like the song. Like, there's a song that has been released right now, and the lyrics are pretty questionable. And she's getting a lot of hate right now. And then right now, she's just justifying that, yeah, I get it. Like, you know, maybe I should not have said it right then. She had like commented on some Instagram thing, and it was like, I get it. Like, you know, why feminism? But I just want you to read the lyrics, and then I want you to see why everybody is so mad about it. So it's a pretty suggestive song, as I should say. Like,
Yeah.
so the lyrics are something like, "Pehle utha le, andar wo dale, and then नीचे एक बूंद ना गिराए." So this is just like a very, very small. Like, I am just reading 2 lines of the whole entire song, and this is like the song that she released. And how do you release such a song? How do you make money of such things? And then you just say that I'm not a feminist. I don't believe in feminism. Like, she has made her whole entire career. Like, exactly. And then
you are saying,
like for like how I don't understand how did this get approved first of all. And right now the Hindi version has been taken off the internet is what I think. I'm not pretty sure, but it's what I've heard. But
Maybe that's why I can't find it. Like, I mean, I did not actively go and search for it.
yeah,
but maybe
like
that's why I couldn't.
no, like this is like the Hindi version. There's like Kannada version and then the Malayali version. It's still up, and then like people are pretty mad about it. It's like
I mean, as they
I mean,
should.
I am pretty mad about
Yeah,
it
yeah, they
because I don't understand women who are like, oh, we don't believe in feminism. We
Yeah.
don't because if you don't, then
Yeah, like literally, just
shut up. That's what I
I
think.
mean, like you guys are in the street, like you are like working, and then you are
Right.
asking for equal pay between.
But that is like such a picky behavior, is what I think. Like,
Do you know what the meaning of like feminism is? Because if you don't, then maybe you should not comment about
like
it.
that's what I think. That just shut up and just don't say anything is what I think. Like,
We're very
but-
sorry, guys. I know there's like a lot of
the background noise and we are pretty angry. So
Yeah.
but it's just what I feel like very like strongly for. Like I genuinely strongly
yeah.
believe in this. Like if you are gonna just bash something, then you should just at least make an informed decision because you have a pretty big platform. And if you have such a platform, don't promote because in India, like we know, like this is the content that the youth will see, and then
Exactly.
that is what they will consume. And you putting out such things, you agreeing to such things is just not it. Is what I think.
Yeah. And I feel like now, I feel like these, in this generation, I feel like in the past, I wouldn't say in this generation, I feel like in the past couple of years, people are putting out their, like, opinions. Maybe if this happened, maybe like 10 years ago, I feel like this song would not have, like,
I mean,
like,
I
been
have.
banned, or maybe she would not have been cancelled.
Right now
If
she
I
is getting
may.
cancelled, and right
Yeah.
now, like I saw something, and then she was like, oh, like somebody had commented like, oh, you are not a feminist, right? And then she had commented, oh, I get it now. Like that's what she had commented. But it's like it's
But like,
don't you think?
what do you mean you get it now? You should have understood what it is, like, before talking about it.
Yeah,
what
like
is
the only reason why you get it now is because you cancel.
Exactly. Like, we don't believe you. Sorry, what was his like reaction, like Tanveer's reaction?
Oh no, like this is with Sanjay Dutt.
Oh,
And he is pretty old, so I don't.
Yeah,
I don't. That is a conversation for other time, like the Bollywood pairings and all. That is a conversation for other
Yeah.
time. But this is what the new and upcoming tea is. I think you got a lot of education.
I did.
Not educated. I would not say the word. Just
but I do not know about it. I feel like everybody should know about this. Like, I feel like if somebody does not know what feminism actually means, then they should know about it. They should learn something from Nora.
they should not learn anything from her.
They should learn not to say these things and not to be like her. But that's kind of crazy. I kind of liked her, but now I just I don't like her.
I mean, obviously, I never liked her, but who is that?
Not done, Nora. Not done. Please just
Tanvi's too like she is too worked up about
Yeah,
this.
my emotions are all over the place. I'm just very mad.
Yeah, but this like let's end today's segment here. But let us know if you enjoy such kind of things, or if you would want to see this like
Yes.
become a recurring thing, or maybe we should switch it up. Maybe
We
should
have a lot of
another
gossip to
segment.
tell.
I mean,
Yeah.
that is for another episode. Like,
I mean, you guys can tell us what we should talk about. Like that is
if there's some topic that you want us to talk about, or just maybe we could have like a story time episode, like where you give us some stories, we share our stories. Like, I like that idea a lot.
we can react to it together.
Oh yeah,
We
I
can react to
love.
their stories together.
Oh,
That would
I
be so
love.
fun.
Like, I love looking at like reaction videos. So
Yeah.
I would like to make that. But
Yeah.
you can say.
No, I was just saying that I don't know. I'm just like always just apologizing, but I'm being bothered. Like I am getting bothered by the noise, and I hopefully it's not as bad for you guys at home listening. But we promise you that this won't be the case for like future episodes.
Yeah.
We'll make sure to find like a secluded location.
Yeah, we need to like find a place.
Yeah. But this was like our first podcast,
Yeah,
and
so-
we just wanted to film something and put it out there. Like we wanted to see where this goes. We're not like very worried about the views. Like we're not looking for that. We are looking for it. Like if we do get views and like followers,
we would welcome it with
Yeah.
open arms. But like
We
the
would be
reason why
happy.
we kind of started with this was just to like document things. Like I think it's like more of a documenting thing. I would just want this as a memory. Like I would just always want this.
like
So,
I
was
did
like
that
the
with my
main-
friend.
Oh yeah,
I
like,
did a podcast with her. Like,
and I think it should be like a learning thing, or maybe like I would love if it got views, but that is not the main reason why we are starting this. But I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you enjoyed as much as we did, because
Yeah,
we
we-
had a lot of fun today.
it wasn't awkward at all. It was
Yeah, like
just
we were kind of lucky that as soon as the camera comes, we're
Yeah.
gonna be like become like robots, and
because
just
we
not
are
gonna
very
talk.
awkward in front of the camera. We just are
I hope it's not that visible.
maybe, yeah, hopefully. But if you do like this type of content, or if you like just like the chaotic
girls talk-
energy that we
talking.
have, yeah, two girls who share one brain cell.
Oh yeah, that is so true for us.
Yeah. So then please follow us, like our videos, and we'll be posting maybe once in 2 weeks.
Yeah, that's what we have decided for right now.
Yes.
So I hope we can just
Yes.
continue.
Yes, and please, if you are listening on Spotify, I think you can't like subscribe or something. You have to follow the podcast,
Yeah.
and you have to like give like a rating like out of 5.
Oh yeah.
So if you are watching us on Spotify, then you do that. If you're watching us on YouTube, then you subscribe to our channel, you like, and then you comment.
Yes.
And then if you find us through Instagram, then follow us on YouTube and follow us on Instagram. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
We're going off the record now.